Good morning everyone. For today we will be changing the front strut for this 1998 Toyota Corolla, and I will be using my brand new from Amazon coil compressor. I just bought this a couple days ago, so let's do this. So we will be removing three bolts in here. These two, this, and then for the brake line we will be using 14mm socket. This one is a little bit stuck or tight, so use any lubrication to loosen those bolts. Alright, now let's remove these two bolts. We'll be using 19mm socket. This one is really hard to remove, so it's better to spray lubricant for a couple of minutes. Now let's try if we can remove it. Oh, it's really tight. Oh my god. Okay, let's try it again. Oh god. Oh my god, it's really tight. By the way, I'm using a breaker bar. Oh my god. I think it's loose now. Oh yeah, it's moving. I have to put something here. So now, this is 19mm wrench. And let's try. Oh yeah. Now it's loose. Okay. There you go. I think this is the hardest part, removing these two bolts. So let's put more lubricant. Yeah, after you remove these two bolts, I guess everything will be easy. So now let's do the bottom one. Okay. Oh my god, this is really tight. is loose. Oh my god, still tight. There we go. Okay. Let me show you over here. Alright, that's the one. Those are the hardest bolt to remove. Now look at this. Oh boy. Then extension. Go. Oh boy. Oh yeah, that's it. Spring lubricant again. There you go. So now let's remove these two bolts. So one here and then also the one on the top. So just wiggle it and then move it. Come on. There you go. Now just push this strut and then it's off. Then put this one over here. Cover the CB axle boot, so you don't want to cut that one. And check the brake line. Just remove the 3 bolts on the top, then it's done. So for this one we will be using 12mm socket. Now the last one. So while you're loosening this one, your other hand should be holding the strut. Go. Alright. So that's the strut. That's how you remove a strut for Toyota Corolla. So I couldn't use this one, this brand new Amazon coil compressor, because as you can see it's already at the bottom but I haven't compressed the coil yet, the coil. So this tool cannot compress everything. So I will be end up using this one. So this is good for a strut that has a long spring, I guess, but this one has a shorter spring. Anyway, these still good tools. Yeah, so let's remove it. Yeah, this compressor cannot compress all kinds of strut. It only compress again the longer strut with the longer spring. So let's just use this one. Sinasira ulit po. Asan sinasira ulit ito? Kami. Ito ka. Nakasira. Yan. Yung pangalan niyan, Rolly Polly. Ha? Video natin. Si Rolly Polly. Where's Rolly Polly? It's gone. Oh my God, it's gone. Where?
Fell down.
Fell down.
Under the house.
Maybe that's their house.
No, he fell down.
Oh, he fell down?
I think he didn't.
Wawa naman siya, no? Are you going to save him?